to you. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I need to get, the only thing I don't like about my glasses is this right here. Anyways, in today's video, we are going to be talking about my bracelets. I got some new bracelets. These are from the Girls Essentials Co. She is a black woman owned business, and she's 16 years old, so she goes to school. She's literally in high school, and she has a bracelet business, and I'm gonna show y'all now her TikTok, because we're friends on TikTok. We follow each other. Hold on, I don't want to get copyrighted. Now, I did a video on these bracelets before, but I think it got deleted. But that was an unboxing. If you want to see the real unboxing is on TikTok. My TikTok is KylaCheese98. But this is her Instagram. This is her TikTok. If y'all want to follow her, it's literally the Girls Essentials Co. And she has all these bracelets. And I'm going to show you the owner. That's her right there. That's what she looks like. I don't want to click on her videos because I don't want to get copyrighted. But she's so pretty. She makes bracelets, and yeah. So yeah, when I got the package, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. But I had to, like, she's always sold out, you get what I'm saying? She's always sold out. So it's like, dang, I really gotta, I had to stalk the page just to get these. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the ones that I got now. They're so pretty, and they go with my bracelets. This is my bracelet. If y'all know, I've had this bracelet since I turned 21. This bracelet and this ring set my mom bought me when I was 21. It never comes off. I never take it off. The only thing I take off is my ring when I'm doing my hair, but the bracelet, for the most part, stays on. Like, the only time I take my bracelet off is when I go to the jeweler to get it cleaned. So yeah, my bracelet and my ring. And I thought this matched perfectly with this, because if you see, it has the same colors. So yeah, that's why I wear it on this arm, because I just feel like it matches perfectly. And then this one, even my Pandora bracelet, like my Pandora bracelet is kind of like sentimental to me too, because my mom also bought me this when I was 16. You can see the little 16 right there. And then this is Princess Jasmine's dress, and I got the little jewel. I need to get some more charms for it. I love my Pandora bracelet though. And then you see this one. This one is really cute. Okay. And then last but not least, I have this one. And this one is like my favorite of all. It has to be my favorite of all. But yes, definitely shop her, the Girls Essentials Co. She is great. I love her business. I love her work. I love her customer service, because I wasn't sure. I'm a new buyer, so whenever I'm a new buyer, if I don't get my package within like the process business time, like if I don't get my package and it's been like 2 weeks over the processing time, I'm gonna send an email just to make sure like they got my order. Because I remember one time I was waiting on one of my orders for something, and I never got my order, and it was like, oh, something happened with your card information or something like that, you know what I'm saying? You didn't put the right card information in there or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure I got my stuff. And I just want to tell y'all that customer service goes a long way, you know what I'm saying? Good customer service definitely does go a long way. So this girl, she is literally, she has to do her schoolwork as well. She's in high school, right? So she has to do her schoolwork as well as she's running a business by herself, as well as I'm sure she has other chores around the house that her mom, expects her to do, you know what I'm saying, on top of probably after school activities, whatever else she has to do at school and stuff like that. So it's just like, give her time, you know what I'm saying? Don't be rude. Sending a nice email will get you such a long way, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't be rude, don't be nasty, don't be mean. And it's like, it's bracelets. Like, come on, let's be real. You don't need these within, like, you know what I'm saying, any amount of time. Like, I know you want your shit, but come on, like, let's look at the facts. Let's be logical, you know what I'm saying? Sending a nasty email is not gonna get you anywhere, you know what I'm saying? I sent the email, I said, hey, you know, I was just wondering, just checking on my order. I'm not sure if, you know, it went through or whatever. I just wanted to see, like, you know, when it was gonna be available or whatever like that. And she sent me an email right away. She's like, hey, yeah, I'm packaging orders. They'll go out no later than whatever day, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh, perfect, thank you, you know what I'm saying, cool. And I didn't worry about it, you get it? Like, just being patient, and you know, it goes a long way, you know. And I even told her, I'm like, you know, I understand you're in school, I understand you're doing this, you're doing that, you know, you're probably doing a lot right now, running a business on top of being in high school still. I know that's probably a lot, so like, take your time, you know what I'm saying? Don't rush. Like, it's no rush for you to get to me, you know what I mean? Like, I'm okay, I'm good, I can wait, you know. So yeah, I just told her that, and yeah, she sent me my order. And I also told her, in my unboxing on TikTok, I also told her, I was like, you know, you need to get rid of your small business cards. Like, thank you for shopping my small business. No, your business is big. Or just say thank you for shopping my business, period. Don't say small business, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're not doing that. Manifest. Thank you for shopping my business, or thank you for shopping my big business, you know what I mean? But yeah, and I got a sticker too. I put the sticker on my iPad. I got this, she gave me this sticker, and yeah. So whenever I get stickers from brands, I put them on my iPad. And so far I have 2. So yeah, this one is an edge control, and yeah, this one is from her. But yeah, y'all, these, oh my god, did something fly on my face? Oh my goodness, I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah, y'all, these bracelets are so cute. They're so pretty. I need to take them off because I'm about to go to sleep. But yeah, they're just so pretty, and I absolutely love them. And they just sit on the wrist real nice and pretty, and I absolutely love them. My little cousin loves them as well. She's only 1 year old. She just turned 1, and every time she comes to me, she wants to pull on my wrist and pull on my bracelets, and I have to tell her, like, don't do that. But yeah, so when she gets to be a little bit older and can handle jewelry, I'm gonna get her some as well, because they're just so pretty. Probably, like, I don't know, she won't have to be like, I'll see how she does with jewelry, because she's 1 right now, so definitely not right now. But maybe when she gets to be, I don't know. Yeah, and then I gotta ask permission first, because, you know, I don't know. You know how, you know, people's kids, other people's kids, you just gotta ask permission. I'd rather ask for permission than I ask for permission, you know what I'm saying? Like, with some stuff. So yeah, that's a whole nother topic. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all my bracelets and my jewelry. Y'all like my nails? I did them myself. This one kind of got messed up, but yeah, I only did this hand because I'm left-handed, and I know I'm gonna fuck this hand up if I try to do it, because I'm left-handed, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got these off of Amazon. They're matte. I got them off Amazon. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. Make sure you follow me and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? 79% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and I want more followers on TikTok as well. I want more followers on Instagram too, you know what I'm saying? So follow me, okay? Follow me. Mainly follow me on TikTok. If you're gonna follow me on anything, follow me on TikTok, because I'm more active on TikTok. And TikTok, I can genuinely be my authentic self. You know what I'm saying? I want to be my authentic self, and I be going live on TikTok and things like that. So if you want to keep up with me and me personal, follow me on TikTok. That's your best bet. Okay. All right, y'all. So thank you so much for following, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.